We'll fix it, dear, together. I hope so, Mary.
Another leak,
The fire helps.
but the drafts are unbearable.
Mind your step.
Hurry, it's filling up again.
Almost got it.
The sun is coming out, finally.
Hello, Character D and Character E. It's so wonderful to finally meet you. Thank you for coming. This means so much to us.
We're here to help you get this house repaired.
Look at that roof. It leaks right there.
We see it, we'll fix it.
We tried to patch this section up last winter, but it didn't hold. The roof damage here looks extensive. I'm getting inconsistent readings on the foundation near the sill plate.
All right, so the roof is the priority, then the porch.
Yes, that sounds good.
This really gives us hope. We'll take care of it. The perimeter measurements look good. We'll need to check the roof slope. How much wood will that take?
We've calculated it all out. Keep the lumber stacked here. Let's put the roofing metal over there.
All right, safety cones down.
Hand me that toolbox, please.
She's got it, don't you worry.
Just like new soon. Keep everything together. Don't forget the photographs. Let's stack these boxes here. Watch your step with that mattress. Keep it tight, boys. Drip edge secure. Almost done, Mr. Henderson.
Look at them go! Fast work. House will be ready for winter now. Good men.
Almost done, Martha. It's going to look beautiful. Thank you both. We appreciate this.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Look at them go!
The railings are gone already. They're so efficient. Soon it'll be ready for the new one.
Look at that. It's beautiful. They did it so fast.
Look at it now.
It's just perfect.
Ready for the next steps inside.
Almost finished with cleanup.
The floor looks great.
Starting to mark the layouts now.
Oh, wonderful. It's really taking shape.
Look at all this progress.
They're almost done with the wiring. I can't wait to see it finished. It's going to be perfect.
looks perfect. It's beautiful, thank you. You're welcome. It's looking amazing.
Look at that.
Almost done with the tiles.
Tiles.
I can't wait to use it.
Oh, isn't it just perfect? More than I could have imagined. And our memories, right here. They look like home now.
Oh, it's just so beautiful. Thank you. Look at it. Can you believe this is ours, sweetheart?
Look how beautiful it is.
Perfect. It's perfect.
All right, team, let's get everything perfect. Looking great.
Almost done here.
Ready for them to come home.
Oh my.
I don't believe it.
Look at this, honey.
Beautiful.
It's ours, all ours.
Oh my. Look at this, Martha. It's beautiful. I can't believe it's our home. It's just like you said it would be. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I never thought we'd be here again.
It's good to be home. Oh, this is just beautiful. Thank you. We're so happy to help. It looks just wonderful. Thank you, thank you.
I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
Neither would I. Look at that sunset.
You make the best soup. Keeps me warm on evenings like these. Thank you all so much.
We couldn't have done it without you. God bless.
Smells like heaven, dear. Just the way you like it. Sit, the coffee's ready.
Oh, bless your hearts, you came. Hello, folks, we're here to help.
So good to see you both.
Look at our beautiful home.
Thank you all.
We couldn't have done it without you.
We're happy to help.
It's a beautiful place.
Good morning, my dear. Ah, that's fresh.
Aren't they lovely?
They look beautiful, dear.
Just like the memories. Look at this beautiful tomato. It's perfect, dear.
That's the best soup I've ever had, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. Would you like some bread?
It smells delicious. This is lovely.
The kids are having so much fun.
These burgers are smelling delicious.
Remember when we used to do this every summer?
All right, let's get this hat on there. Perfect.
Nana, cookies, please.
Just right. Look at him.
Looks wonderful, my dear. Just in time for breakfast.
I got this fence fixed right up for you, ma'am.
Wonderful job, Character A. Thank you so much.
Lemonade break, everyone. To a great day and good friends.
Another great harvest.
It's a beautiful morning for it.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Another one done. Yeah.
Perfect, just like Grandma's recipe.
And our garden made it all possible.
Thank you all so much. These are wonderful.
And this is where we grow the biggest pumpkins.
Look at all this, Mary.
It's more than we ever dreamed.
A symbol of our hope,